Hi, my name is Shanbay Tibali. I'm student nurse of Naga College Foundation, and I will demonstrate intradermal injection. And first, read the physician's order carefully and prepare the right medicine card and observe front, color, and the shape. And after that, you wash and dry the hands and gather all, gather all necessary materials to avoid wasting of time. And after, read the label upon the contact with the drugs. And after the read, prepare the drugs. That's by dissolve the corresponding solvent and observe the techniques. Use the stir forceps, and picking up the cotton balls container. And disinfect the rubber cup of vial and distilled water using the cotton balls with the alcohol. And open the sterile pack without touching the sterile. And 30 seconds to and discard. And read the drug level and check with the medicine card for the second time. And prepare the drugs accurate without distraction. First is aspirate 0.9 cc of distilled water using the other aspiration needle. After that, you need to remove the barrel and use the aspirating needle. And connected. And next is if we have a bubble, you can remove. Pagkatapos is remove the aspiration needle and discard and use the proper aspiration needle to medication and put it in the and read the check in the drug level against the medication card of third time. Can you state your name and age, ma'am?
My name is Eunice Bali. I'm 16 years old.
And explain the procedure to the client. I will do skin test for your if meron ka pong allergic sa medication. And first you do is you need to clean clean the area using a circular motion with cotton balls with alcohol and 70% alcohol. And discard. Next is hold the skin and insert the needle level at a 10 and 10 to 15 degrees angle. Outline in the needle under the skin should be visible, and inject the medication slowly from a wide. And remove the needle slowly. And do not massage the area. And and use the blue ink or black to and after and instruct the client about the sign of the symptom to be observed within 30 minutes from the injection, and write the time, checking the sensitive result on the patient and medic medicine card. And write the time and return the materials. And after that, you return after 30 minutes to evaluate the result.